Not Elan's. Oh, an AWP. TAWP. Top. Yeah. So after auto, we're gonna end somewhere there. We're just gonna mess up their neutral goal. Mess up their neutral goal, and then you guys, after your auto, you're gonna end here. Go straight to here, match load 5 on here. Your color, our color. Let me see your match load. Yo. Other way. Go like this. Like this. Like these, yeah. So do 5, and then come defend. I'll go. After you do 5, we'll come back, and then we'll start piling up yellows on this one.
Wait, what? It's over here, I think. Shoot. Look. Hey, good luck. Hey, Jay?
Yeah.
Jay?
Yeah.
I'm getting my rematch in. This is our rematch right here. Our rematch game.
170-0 in the practice match.
Wait, that was not us. Who was that? Yo, who was that? Who was that?
Keeping our match loads.
I know. That's lucky smart. Okay, wait, flip it.
Surely that's illegal.
No. You're good.
Oh, we're over here?
Yeah.
Did you select it out?
I didn't select.
Wait, Julian.
Wait, bring a couple to your side.
That's good for us. Yeah. If they both come over here, it's gonna be bad. Bad for them. We'll get all the rest of the toggles.
Hello. Wait, we're gonna have an auto.
Yeah.
Wait, we didn't run this auto, but we will.
Alright, which one do you use for program?
He's over there.
Yes.
I'm so sorry. I didn't get here earlier.
If you want, you can do like 3 and 2. Because stacking high takes longer, right? You can go 3-2.
Wait, okay. Rush their thing, right?
Yeah.
Rush their goal.
Those two, those 2 stacks.
Wait, I put the pins so they wouldn't know what we're stacking, but I want it all my color.
Oh, yeah. They're probably going to stack on that red alliance stage.
Yeah, I want like blue score, not yellow.
I don't want to put that. Like right under that.
Bro, our controller's about to die.
Hey everyone, fun coverage of VEX content may be coming to an end. If you're a business or organization that would benefit from reaching a global robotics audience, or even if you're an EP of a VEX event, please head over to funroboticsnetwork.com/partner to get more information on how to get involved. You can also directly support Fun through YouTube Join and get early access to scheduled content. Every bit keeps our cameras in your pits, and we'll have full details on in a separate video, but I really want to wish all the teams the best at Override. We really hope to see you there. Thanks for listening.
Oh my. No. Wait, we clicked the wrong auto.
It was here, they got it.
No, that's red. Or they toggled it. Unfortunate.
Oh, wait, hold on. Bring the box over here. Hey, switch drive station. Yo, switch drive station. Just go over here, Wait, switch. Go on this side.
Yeah.
We will not.
Okay.
Yes.
No problem.
Yes!
No.
Alright, match it on this line.
Go around it.
Oh, get that out of your butt.
Clear out all that stuff.
Wait, two. You have to leave it closed first. Wait, leave it closed.
Yo, it's entanglement.
Entanglement.
Bro,
Entanglement.
Okay.
What?
You're good, Ronald. Nothing's happening.
Wait, close it. I don't want to accident.
Grab it. You can grab it. Hold it open.
My toggle is inside their ball.
Guys, there's a score here.
Oh my goodness.
It's yellow. That one's yellow. That's not blue, Julian.
Pull. Nice. Okay, pick that. On there.
These are yellows, though. These are yellows. Get this.
Nice.
Yeah. You touch them.
Okay,
We're blue.
come back.
What are we playing?
Come back.
You can score that. You have a one.
Oh yeah, but come back. Set up for it. Open.
Give me one.
There's nothing over there.
Okay, let's chill.
You have 50 seconds.
Nice, the
Hey,
bend
let him
doggle.
get that one.
You got it? Nice. Yeah, we're defending it. This one. Wrong one.
Bye.
It's fine.
Oh my.
This one.
Again. You're good.
Nice.
They have stacks over there. They have
Good.
one red stack,
That's
one
very
yellow
good.
stack.
Very good. We're up by 1.
Slowly.
We're gonna double park this after.
Carry your roll.
We're gonna park with you.
They're gonna come for us.
I need to score that
Hey,
other
we
one.
need to get a
these
roll.
were the other ones.
Guys, can you get this roller?
No.
No, you get their roll.
Boom.
You get
Go.
their roll.
Here.
Oh my!
What?
Hey, yo, what the heck?
That's like
We need
5
this
bids.
one.
Okay, nice.
Can you get here or no?
20 points.
Wait, let's get there. Get there.
That's 20 points.
They're going for
Don't break, don't
Spinner, you have the spinners. You have the spinners. Turn spin.
Double prog, double
Spin,
prog.
Ronald.
Owen.
I know. My bad.
Hey, give me this,
Punch
please.
it. Nice. Don't touch it. Come on.
Good match.
Oh wait, no, that was like
Holy
that was
crap.
badly played from all
Holy,
of us.
they scored like 4 up here.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I think we won by 15.
Perfect strats, bro.
Oh, I almost, Jesus Christ. That's my bad.
Bro, I think
We got both. They scored like 0 points. Except Otto. I think.
Okay.
Holy crap.
Wait, right
Yo,
here though,
perfect,
like low
perfect
key.
execution.
Wait, but also the pin was like in the way, so it's like when you go straight into it, like it's hey, careful. Wait, good match. Wait, oh yeah, next time. Wait, I was saving my win for Elan's. Oh. Bro. We're lucky 0-3 against
We have to tear our roller, bro.
You guys did not tell me the strat. I did not know.
Fairs.
It's a minor.
Yeah.
How many? Is it 2?
What?
2?
We knocked down the whole stack.
Oh, okay.
You didn't mean to.
Oh, my elevator wasn't down when I went to the.
You guys won. This was not intentional, so it's just a minor.
Okay.
Is it us?
No. Wait, no. Wait, if it's unintentional, do we get points for it or no?
No.
Oh,
They would have had, they needed to win by more than 15. They lost, so it's not.
I see. Okay. That's good.
If you guys get rolling yours.
Wait, so if we lose,
And like we started scoring
Yeah,
yellow.
that might be ours.
if we
Yeah,
lose, it
Julian.
becomes
Yeah.
They were already set to blue. They were set to blue.
Well, Bailey,
Handing out like 5
Bailey.
minors.
he's calling every rule.
There's a lot of minors.
Wait.
What the heck?
Yeah. Wait, if we had Bailey on our last match, how dare you?
The line 12, but that's a minor. You
Okay.
You were just driving around.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I should have looked used my roller too. I forgot we had the side roller.
I was yelling at you too.
I know. I was like,
you had their roller.
no, I know, and I like just turned around.
It's low-key like the wing from last, or the punch mech from last year that we had on our bot. Like, you know you could use it, but you just don't. You know what I mean? So you just gotta start using it.
Yeah, auto. Hey, unfortunate.
Where's Owen?
Oh, fun match.
That's fun.
Help us achieve our next goal by being one of the 50,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on all future fun content.